mine.
Pan and zoom. Pan and zoom. And pan and zoom. Zooming and panning. Hello, today we're gonna make a smoothie. So, we want to start with our spoon. We want to start out with our strawberries, and then we want spinach, and then we want peanut butter, and then we want bananas, and then you want your milk. Stop it. So, you want to take about 3 strawberries, and you want to cut them. Right. Then you want to cut the strawberries to make them look like little hats, little party favor hats. They want to take the little hats and put them in there. Okay. And then you want to take, oh, that's gross. You want to take your spinach, put it in there. I want to give it a good old rub. Okay. You want to take the same spoon and grab your local, support your local peanut butter people. Just get it in there. And then just put it in there. Like so. Stop moving it so much. And put a little extra for, just cause, oh shoot, it's gross. We're having a good old time. Okay, now you want to take your bananas. They have to be pretty moldy or else this won't work. You know what they say? A banana a day keeps the woolly mammoths away. And then
The milk.
oh yeah, and you want to grate your milk. And you want to you gotta be like a priest and baptize the heck out of this thing. Gotta get the devils out of there.
Okay.
Okay, now put milk in there.
Get the lid.
Is this the lid?
Yeah, I think so.
Gross. Huh?
I don't know. Oh.
Okay, now we're going to blend the stuff. Since we don't have a lid, we're gonna do it the old daisy way. Like that. How do you use it?
Turn it on.
Is it milkshakes?
No, turn it on. And then put some smoothies. No! No! Stop! David!
And we just finished our product. Time for the taste test. Stop it. It's so good.